Automate client onboarding directly inside Airtable. Choose a development workspace to protect production data. Name the base client onboarding command center. Rename the source table clients. Add a separate tasks table for employee work. Enter a client and its project brief. Set its status to To-Do, meaning ready for onboarding. Add the trigger when a record matches conditions. Open the New Triggers configuration panel. Choose Clients as the table Airtable should watch. Choose Status as the field controlling the workflow. Set the condition to Status is To-Do. Review the condition, Clients with To-Do status. Test the trigger. Airtable should find the example client. Now add a Create Record action. Send that new record to the Tasks table. Map client name and project brief into the task. Set the new task status to To-Do. Test and confirm the onboarding task was created. Add an Update Record action for the original client. Set its next status to In Progress. Map the triggering record ID to update the right client. Test again. The client should now show In Progress. Review the trigger and both actions. Keep it off until production fields are verified.